The power of manufacturing Sampa surface treatment factory. There are 11 steps to manufacturing parts made for your heavy-duty commercial vehicle at the surface treatment factory. Surface treatment production starts with engineers at our cutting-edge R&D center, CAMP, who develop tailored blueprints and test material properties. These plans encompass size, material selection, weight capacity, and crucial specifications for the surface treatment of more than 11,000 different parts. Upon arrival at the plant, the R&D approved item undergoes a careful evaluation to determine the most suitable surface treatment process. Advanced machines strip away contaminants and grease, providing a pristine canvas for further treatment, ensuring an immaculate starting point. Metal surfaces undergo a rigorous sandblasting process, optimizing their texture for superior bonding capabilities. This enhancement significantly improves the adhesion of subsequent coatings, guaranteeing an impeccable finish. Enter the realm of cutting-edge coatings, where precision meets innovation. An automated process applies alkaline zinc or zinc-nickel coatings with the aid of state-of-the-art communication systems and robotic technology. This not only ensures accuracy, but also elevates the efficiency of the coating application process. The item now undergoes a fully automated zinc phosphate coating process, elevating its durability and resilience against corrosion. This critical step significantly enhances the product's lifespan. Efficient conveyor washing machines meticulously clean the item's surface, ensuring a pristine canvas for the subsequent electrostatic powder coating. At this stage, the item traverses pre-treatment cleaning baths before entering advanced painting booths equipped with robotic precision. Here, electrostatically adhered powder forms a robust and enduring finish, delivering superior protection. A dedicated wet paint facility caters specifically to distinct product groups, applying a specialized finishing touch with finesse. Laboratory analyses leave no stone unturned in verifying the highest quality standards. An X-ray machine measures coating thickness and concentration. The atomic absorption machine conducts stringent checks for metal impurities. Comprehensive corrosion and salt tests ascertain the product's resistance levels under challenging conditions. The item undergoes a final round of assessments to ensure its quality and performance meet the stringent criteria set forth. With the seal of approval, finalized products embark on their journey to other Sampa factories. This intricate process, spanning design, assessment, coding, and quality testing, showcases unwavering dedication to precision engineering, ensuring the Sampa power of manufacturing excellence in every detail, designed to meet the demanding standards of your heavy-duty commercial vehicle.